Ever hopped on Minecraft and felt underpowered? Maybe the vanilla experience just doesn't scratch that competitive itch. You see streamers defying gravity with mid-air jumps, raining down arrows with inhuman accuracy, and navigating parkour courses like they're on a morning jog. What's their secret? Could it be, gasp, hacks? Relax, vigilante justice can wait. In the wild world of Minecraft, there's a perfectly legitimate way to enhance your gameplay, Lunar Client. But here's the question, do you absolutely need Lunar Client to dominate the Minecraft world? Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the blocky unknown to find out. Vanilla Minecraft, a classic for a reason. Let's be honest, there's a reason Minecraft remains a global phenomenon. The vanilla experience is pure, unadulterated fun. It's where creativity thrives, stories unfold brick by brick, and the sense of accomplishment after building that epic castle is unmatched. But vanilla Minecraft also has limitations. It can feel clunky at times, especially when compared to the lightning-fast movements some players achieve. Plus, features like customizability and performance tweaks are limited. Enter Lunar Client, a Minecraft power-up. Lunar Client is a free, with optional paid upgrades, third-party client that injects a dose of performance-enhancing steroids into your Minecraft experience. Think of it as a toolbox overflowing with cool features. Boosted frames, Lunar Client is known for its optimization, allowing you to squeeze every last drop of performance from your system. PvP enhancements, mid-air jumps, strafe jumping, and better hit registration dominate the battlefield with a refined skill set. Customization galore, from custom skins to dynamic lighting, make your Minecraft world truly yours. Mods galore, take your gameplay to the next level with a vast library of community-created mods, though these require a paid Lunar Client upgrade. So, do you need Lunar Client? Here's the truth bomb. No, you don't need Lunar Client to play Minecraft. The core experience, the joy of building and exploring, remains perfectly accessible in vanilla. However, if you crave smoother gameplay, Lunar Client can significantly improve your frame rate and overall responsiveness. Competitive edge, mastering Lunar Client's movement tech can give you a serious advantage in PvP. A personalized touch, customization options galore let you tailor Minecraft to your aesthetic and gameplay preferences. Then Lunar Client is absolutely worth considering. It's especially beneficial for players who engage in competitive PvP. Lunar Client's movement enhancements can be a game changer. Stream or create content, the performance boost and customization options are gold for content creators. Want a more visually appealing experience? Shaders and custom textures take Minecraft's visuals to a whole new level, though some require paid upgrades. The choice is yours. Ultimately, the decision rests with you. If you're happy with vanilla Minecraft, stick with it. It's a fantastic game in its own right. But if you're yearning for a smoother, more customizable, and potentially more competitive experience, then Lunar Client is a powerful tool waiting to be explored. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.